Okay, so by now you should have mastered the version 1, which is 2 hands together. So, fancy a challenge? I'm now going to teach you how to perform the level 6. Come on over. Okay. Again, the right hand part is exactly the same, but the challenge with version 2 is the left hand has become more complex. There are more notes you need to use, and also you have more complex bass lines moving just by here. So let me show you. So as I said, the right hand is the same. Keep an extra eye on the left hand, and I'll play the 2 parts together. 1, 2, 3, 4.